Hello, everybody. Yeah, that shit again. Alright, here we go. Just gonna add the tickers, a watermark. Okay, make it fair. Black. Alright. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to another stream. I'm a little late, but here we are. Yeah, we're gonna be live trading as normal. I didn't quite take a look at charts today because I didn't really have time, but here we are. I will just give me a second, guys. I have to do a couple things. So edit and then do this. Okay, perfect. So yep, we're gonna be live streaming today, and we're just gonna wait. I'm gonna post this in my Discord, and then we're gonna start. So yeah. Okay, so are you guys ready for today? Let's get today's day started. So let's look at EU. Matus, hello, welcome to the stream. If you wanna get called today, just let me know and we can hop on a call if you have time. Otherwise, it's fine. So yesterday I didn't take any trades, but maybe we can change that today. So what I see is this liquidity below those equal lows, and let's start with the daily actually. So we have daily chart. Yes, we can. All right. Call him. Welcome. Hello.
How are you?
Hello. I'm okay. You?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
You take
Yeah.
it? Did you take any trades
Oh,
yesterday?
no, thank God I didn't trade PM session. It was so
Mm.
bad. It was just ranging about like for like the whole PM session. Nasdaq was just going up and down, up and down. We had like a break a little bit, but it was only like I don't even know how many handles was this. I don't. It was just a range. I just didn't want to trade it.
Yeah,
It just
I
it
didn't
kept
trade it
losing.
either.
Yeah, thank God I didn't trade it because I would have definitely lost trades.
Yeah, we can look back. I mean, I was looking to trade it, but then I just saw this consolidation, and then I just
Yeah,
skipped.
that's exactly same with
So
me.
no trades for yesterday for me.
I think we're gonna go lower today. I'm confident because we already had like a massive dump from 6:25. Well, no, we started from like 5 a.m. pretty much. Ever since London high, I'm looking to take the yesterday's PM
Yeah,
liquidity
we have some
because there's a
displacement
lot
though.
of yeah. I'm probably not gonna look to take anything because today there's 9:45 news and 10 a.m. news.
I mean,
So
that's good actually. I mean, isn't it?
yeah, 9:45 news are good because there's more volatility in the markets.
Yeah, not flash services PMI. That's yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
But I
Manufacturing PMI is quite
let's
important actually.
yeah
So yeah, we have to be careful. So I'm probably gonna place a trade silver bullet hour once again.
yeah that could work. It could work. The silver
Yeah,
bullet.
that's what I'm really looking. I wasn't really even bothered looking at 8:30 today because I just didn't like how we from 5 a.m. we went down 100 handles pretty much already. And I feel like it's like and right now, thank God I didn't really trade it anything because we're just kind of consolidating now.
Mhm.
Just kind of in this ranging market for a little bit, going towards up. But if you look at the 1 hour, if you look at the 1 hour on Nasdaq, and if you use the same daily, if you use the same daily gap, but just on the 1 hour, look
Yeah.
at that precision we have. Those
Where?
two candles closing just at the top of the thingy.
Let me check.
And we closed in a gap as well in the previous hourly gap that we saw on Tuesday.
In 1 hour, you said?
Yeah, on the 1 hour, if you draw the daily gap, the one we were looking at yesterday,
High
and then on the
or
one, yeah, the high, how we close was just perfect. Like we closed at the top, we wicked above it, but it's fine.
yeah, just a little bit. We closed just a little bit above it, so that's good.
Yeah, but it's precision, but it doesn't really matter because we're also trading. We perfectly respected the gap that
Mhm.
was supposed to be at the breakaway gap from yesterday on a 1 hour when 9 opened up. Yeah, yesterday was
Yeah.
a
So
weird day. I can't lie. I don't know. It was very choppy.
liquidity looks really nice.
Yeah, liquidity looks really nice for the downside. How we have, and plus I have on the 1 hour I have another imbalance, which is Monday 21st, 12 p.m. candle. That's my look. I mean, that's my like discount, very discount.
Mhm.
But like there is a gap. There is a gap at 1 p.m. on Monday as well. That could be another. Yeah, it's pretty much like within the liquidity that we have.
Yeah, I'm watching the. I see the 1 p.m. gap as well. It is aligned with the sell side from yesterday.
Yeah, and there is also actually no, never mind. I'm gonna say there's an order block.
But if you're going for liquidity, I think Nasdaq will. I believe Nasdaq will reach it faster, right? Because it's moved faster, and so maybe I'll be trading Nasdaq today because there can be SMT between Nasdaq um and SPX today from the PM low.
Yeah, I mean we've been shown weakness to go up higher ever since we hit that order block. That
Yeah.
daily order block, ever since we hit it, we've showed weakness in the market. Like even with the London session today, we didn't really go above. We didn't hit. I mean, we could still easily hit the mean threshold of the daily order block, but I don't know. We just we look very bearish now.
Mhm.
Even the daily candle looks really bearish. So I like bearish prices. I just don't want to take anything before 10 because of the news and stuff. Because PMI can be quite volatile if the results come in quite
Mhm.
big.
Yeah.
Because I
Let me
remember
see.
9:45 news quite important because it's 15 minutes after the close, after the open, my bad. But yeah, dollar isn't really. I mean, dollar is kind of it swept another daily liquidity point. We have another swing point, which would be the Monday 12 June 2023. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, 12th of June. We swept that. But I think we can easily go even higher and go sweep the weekly buy side, the week swing high.
On what S&P SPX or
Oh no, dollar. I'm looking at dollar right now.
wait, let me check. Dollar
Dollar can easily go sweep the weekly buy side.
1 week. Um yeah, it's not that far actually, and but I think it'll
Yeah. Yeah, we
yeah.
might not get there, but that's like a
I think
I'm kind of anticipating if euro goes. I mean, euro is going down obviously because of dollar.
mhm.
It could be the same thing. Euro could definitely go sweep. But then yet at the same time, the euro hasn't really like swept these significant these swing lows significant like it's just not been sweeping those. So that's why I'm maybe thinking it will just stop in its weekly gap. Maybe just consolidate for a little bit, return up. That's what I'm also kind of expecting. Because right now we're trading in a weekly gap, which is nice to see. That's what I was expecting.
Yeah.
And dollar is kind of trading as well up. And on the 1 hour, dollar is just somewhat showing weakness. I mean,
Close.
a lot of wicks on the 15 minute. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I've just been having my charts up all morning. But I'm just kind of watching something on YouTube and just looking at it every now and then.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I think Nasdaq will reach the sell side liquidity below the yesterday's PM, like faster than SPX. So that's what I'm looking for Nasdaq to for
Yeah,
trading Nasdaq. Yeah.
SPX. Let's see how many handles is it. It's about 10 handles, 9 for it to reach.
Let's see.
But at the same time, I think like price action looks
Wait,
much better for Nasdaq.
10 handles for what?
For the liquidity yesterday PM.
Wait, isn't like 50 handles?
Which one? No, no,
That's
I'm not talking about the weekly. Talking about the intraday. Yesterday.
oh
Yesterday
yeah, yesterday, yeah.
afternoon.
But yeah, I think Nasdaq will is better for shorts now because it if
Yeah.
it's gonna go lower, it's gonna go faster and it can form an SMT, as I said, where
Yeah, and I
Nasdaq
also
sweeps
think
it.
that we can easily see a Judas swing to the upside today. With the news especially as well.
Yep.
Because right now on the 1 hour, Nasdaq looks really, really nice to go up higher. We've respected a gap that we went in, traded into. Yeah, we had massive wicks, but it doesn't matter because we closed. And now we're kind of on the 1 hour just looking maybe to go up higher. The 15 minute looks very ugly. 5 minute looks pretty bad as well. Well, 5 minute looks decent actually.
We
Because we did
actually
trade
have
into a gap and we traded into a order block. Let me actually measure it, see if it was the mean threshold. Yeah, mean threshold of an order block. No, we didn't trade into the mean threshold, but
I want to
we
see the
traded into it.
sell side taken for Nasdaq. The internal one that was made today at 7 a.m. So or SPX
I see
or
that. Yeah, it's a
SPX at
good point.
like 8. If we take that, then I'll go short maybe. But I want to see that taken, and then I'll short because
Yeah,
I'll
Nasdaq.
see
I
that
mean, SPX has nice liquidity sell.
I'll see that as break of structure, and then I'll short into the sell side from previous day. But I want to see that broken first.
Yeah, but what I'm really scared of what could really easily happen is we could just start repricing even higher.
Mm-hmm.
You maybe even reacting from the 50% of the daily gap that we have, which would be another imbalance on the 50 minute chart. But yeah, because there's an inversion gap here as well. Yeah, there's a lot to take in today. I don't know, 8 a.m. Ever since 8 a.m. we've just been ranging about kind of having a rangy market.
Yeah.
So yeah, same for SPX kind of there.
I mean,
So
Nasdaq looks
then,
much better in my opinion. It just looks
yeah,
very
Nasdaq is
nice.
way, way better. Yeah, I agree. We also respected the on the 15 minute there was yesterday the 4:45 p.m. There was a gap to 6 p.m. We
445 on
yeah
which?
Nasdaq on
Oh,
15 minute and there's a gap. It's a volume imbalance, but it's not a liquidity void. There's a wick. There was some trading, and we like respected it really well. We
mm-hmm.
wicked below it, but we all of the candles pretty much closed either above or within the little imbalance.
Yeah, but mainly what I'm watching right now is how we react with the gap at 703 on Nasdaq. Then if we respect it or if it becomes an inversion level. You know the gap at
Yeah, yeah,
703.
yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
that
seeing
one
that.
before we push down. I'm looking for that. If we trade above it, then maybe buys into into the buy sell liquidity. So let's just set equilibrium. We have a
Yeah.
5 minute gap here, which could be
Wait,
very
hold up. I'll
nice.
be right back in a few minutes.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, so we have a really nice buy sell liquidity right here, and I'm gonna mark this buy side. So buy side. Sorry. Um, buy sell liquidity, and then top right here. So what I'm watching is, does this gap becomes an inversion gap? And what I see from 5 minute, there's also a breaker block. You see we have low, then we have high, and then we have low. We didn't quite reach into any liquidity, but we reached into the rejection block right here. So I'm looking for that to be a low, high, and then low. So we have a bullish breaker, and I want to see the breaker respected. So you see we have this order block right here. So opening price reacted from it right here. Opening price reacted. Now we're going up. I just want to see. I want to see this like broken up and then return.
I'm gonna check. We are also below 12 a.m. the midnight open. So taking long would be nice, but
Yeah, the mid
I
open
guess my bias.
it's very close, above the FVG I'm looking for. But Nasdaq has a really good. I don't know. It has a really good buys, but I want to see it trade above this fair value gap. So we have order block plus OB. So you're looking at anything or?
With me?
Yep.
Oh, I'm just kind of just look. I'm not really looking. I'm just kind of looking. I'm just waiting for news on 9:30 open. And if I see something, I'll take it. If I don't, I'm not gonna take it. I'm just not gonna trade. Maybe I'll trade PM session if I'm gonna be up.
Yeah, same.
But I don't want to overtrade it this month that much, so I might just kind of just go outside and just relax a little bit. Kind of.
Oh my god, EU has just had a big push to the upside.
Yeah, because dollar dumped real heavy.
Really
Dollar
big
showing
displacement.
weakness.
Yep.
Yeah, with dollar we could see nice lower prices because of how we swept liquidity already on the daily with the push. Could be nice to see something. Yeah, but SPX and Nasdaq, they're not doing anything. Just not a lot you can see.
Yeah, I see. Well, I have a breaker marked out though. Maybe
Where about?
it's on the 5 minute. It's the 810 candle. The
Oh,
candle
is it the
before.
one?
Yeah, before we tap into the rejection blocks. So low, high, low. We tap into rejection blocks with liquidity. So I'm looking for that
Yeah, but we
breaker.
need to, we need to show some displacement to the upside for it to be actually good.
Mm, I mean, I need to see that inversion get broken. So now I'm just looking how we react to that breaker block. But for now, we're respecting it very very nicely.
Wait, which one? Wait, can you send me a screenshot on Discord now? Or I'll look at your
On the
stream.
5 minute, I just look at my stream.
Yeah.
Mm. One second. Let me just move this. All right. Mm-hmm. Well, I marked this one because we already tapped into the rejection block, and I mean, it is a breaker. We already went above it, but that doesn't really matter that much. It's it's not it's not invalid once we go above it once. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. The rejection flow. So right now, what would be a good entry? Probably it would be from this for Valley Gap, and then to the but not a good RR. My opinion, just not worth the trade.
Yeah, yesterday there was a good break as well
Where though?
that we traded into. It formed the 7 a.m. candle.
7
We,
a.m. yesterday on Nasdaq.
yeah, we drag it out. We like respected the bottom half. We just barely touched it and we went lower. Yeah, we had consolidation, but
Oh yeah, on the
that's
5 minute.
just
Yeah.
yeah. 5 minute 15 is yeah, same. But it's whatever. Yeah, we
I
traded.
this
We
inversion
just
gap.
traded above.
This inversion gaps look very good to me.
Or
So
the 703.
yep, the 703. So
Yeah, 50% of it maybe. Let's see how maybe if we come down maybe.
Fair Valley Gap. Yeah, I'll take the entry from this Fair Valley Gap maybe. So
Are you gonna go with midpoint or just the top?
yeah, I'm gonna be entering from the Fair Valley Gap inside the inversion gap
Um.
on the 1 minute.
Oh, 1 minute. Okay, wait. So wait. 909. Which one?
Yeah, 909.
Yeah, that's nice.
If we do come back,
Yeah, we
zero,
might. We'll see.
zero, and
I'm
then
just
go to.
gonna I'm just gonna look at this inversion gap and I'll see how it reacts on like a 5 minute. Well, a 3 minute actually, not 5 minute.
Let's see if we
Because
get
we could
hit.
easily see another push lower into the break as well,
Mhm.
which could be another option. We could see. But yeah, we have news in about 30 minutes. 9:30 soon. But there was a lot of PMI. Euro, GBP. What is BRICS Summit? What was
Oh,
that?
this is like new currency, I think. From
Is
the
it?
yeah, where did you see this?
BRICS.
Where did you see this?
Well, let me Google it.
Is it on
Oh,
trade?
it's like it's like the world economies of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South
Yeah, they're gonna make a
formed.
new currency. They're like
Oh,
thinking about
that's
making a new
cool.
currency. Yeah, we'll be right back. Just a few seconds,
Alright, no
few
problem.
minutes. Just have to do something.
Mm. Hey, Gautam Adani. Hello, bro. Zeka is a bit is doing something, so he's gonna come back in a bit. Market's full bullish today. I don't really think we're really full bullish. We've been showing a little bit of weakness. But we could see bullishness. I just want to see sell side taken if we're gonna be bullish for today. If that's the ultimate goal. Because on the daily, we hit the daily order block and we saw a good rejection yesterday. So we could really just see a continuation for the following days.
Hello?
Which would be logical. Hello?
Okay, I'm back. Um, Market full bullish today. Yes, for yesterday's low. I really think we're gonna take this buy sell liquidity, but we need to tap into this inverse fair value gap, and then I have the fair value gap I have here inside aligned with it.
Yeah, yesterday low is really good target. Nox Music said.
Mm,
That's what I'm also expecting. I'm looking to take that.
I mean, we did create an SMT with. Wait, did we? The SMT with. No, we didn't. I thought it was with the US 30, but it's not.
Because I think we're bearish for
Bearish?
for a little bit. Overall, I just I mean we could still see the mean threshold of the daily order block get hit, but we're very far off. We are like 125 handles, which is very doable for Nasdaq.
125 handles.
Would be the mean threshold of the daily order block, but I'm not sure. We're really respecting the gap really well. Today, London, we made a high, which is like 60 or 70% of the time. It makes either the high or the low in the London session. And then we either sweep it in New York, but I really think we could see a Judas swing to the upside, taking out some sort of liquidity.
Yeah, I think I will go long here, but my entry is right here. So I'll
Which gap?
the 1 minute gap. Like I would take an entry directly from here, but it just the RR is just
Yeah, I
not
see.
so good. So I will just
Yeah,
wait.
because your stop loss would have to be at
Um,
least like, yeah,
NDX
pretty bad.
100.
Yeah, pretty bad.
So I'll just place a limit order. So trading buy limit. Oh, okay, wait. I have to. So trading new order, pending order, buy limit. All right. So price 14,055, and then we'll move it. Then lot size is 2.7.
Yeah, we came back into the inversion gap, the one you were talking about in the 3 minute.
May I want to see it
Just want to
pass. I want
see.
to see it go inside, so I get filled with my limit, and then
Yeah, I see that. Yeah.
I want to see it expand. All right, just a little bit more, and I'm in. It needs to go down a little more. Didn't fill me yet. Nice. Fortunate.
You think I filled?
Not yet. It missed my fill with the spread.
It'll probably come down
Maybe. I.
because there's an order block as well. We have.
Yeah, I see. If it come down and I get filled, that's alright.
Yeah, it's fine.
So stop law. Okay, wait, what happened? Why did my order get cancelled? What? One second. Log in again. I don't know, it got cancelled. I don't know why. So
Wait, is your order good now?
now I'll just enter with market
Yeah, you have a really good price right now to enter. Order block entry
0.5.
with the gap.
Yeah, I just market ordered. So
Yeah,
stop
you're
loss.
getting a good entry. But what's your entry?
My entry is right at the top of the fair value gap.
Yeah, that's calm. That's good. And well, how many points is your stop loss?
9. So 900. Yeah, 9
Yeah.
points, and then take profit is 20. So 22, 2060. So it's 1 to 2, a little more than 1 to 2, which is okay. But yeah, I'm expecting it to go higher.
Yeah, same to be fair.
Expect you to swing to the upside and sell off. Nice.
Yeah, we're respecting the 3 minute gap so far really nicely.
We'll see. So let's see how 5 minutes looking. Not too good, but we'll see. This gap is actually much better. Yeah, okay. So yeah, now I'm just gonna wait. I really have nothing more to do
Yeah,
than wait.
just patience. We'll see how it happens. Because yeah, the order block is getting respected really nicely actually, currently.
I mean, yeah, but
Probably
we'll
see
see. That doesn't really
higher
matter
prices.
that much. So I'm gonna take. Wait, I'm thinking about partials. Um, be careful. We have news and the open. Yeah, I'm careful. I'm careful, but I will take. One second. All right. Um, yeah, I'm thinking about managing my trade because I don't really know. Really have no idea how I'll manage my trade. You know,
Well, I
it's
mean, maybe take off 50%.
so I have this buy set right here, but that's really maybe the fair value gap above it. I don't know this inversion gap. It's a little tricky right now. Um,
Yeah, I don't know. You
I'll
just
see.
just see.
I'll see. I'll see if we even get to up there. But for now, that's my trade, and we'll see. So if I win this, I win. Well, accidentally, I entered a little lower, so I went with like lower lot size. I don't know why, but I thought it's like appropriate. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna add the rest right here
So where
because
you entered half risk,
no, I entered with like I thought I entered with full risk, but I entered with I don't know. It's 0.2 less lot size less than usual.
oh,
So it's fine though. It's
yes,
fine. It's nothing.
yeah, it's fine. It's still
But
good.
what I like here is this breaker we have. Actually, I want a little bit cleaner. Yeah, on the 2 minute we have a very nice breaker block. So I'm thinking about buying inside breaker right now to adding the rest of the position and moving my stop loss. No, I'm not actually not gonna do that. I'm not that advanced, that confident yet. I'm just gonna let
Hmm.
it. I'm just
Yeah.
gonna wait. So I wanna see this broken. That could mean a lot. We'll see.
Yeah, that order book was nice.
Yeah, very nice.
That's what I would, if I entered, I would have entered from that. It would have been like a greedy entry because it might have not been, might have not filled me, but
Yeah,
it's also in a gap as well, so and the gap respected really well. But yeah, 9:30 is close, so it's another scary thing. I've learnt my lesson from 9:30. Oh man, I still can't remember, I can't believe that one time where my TP was like one handle away and then it just reversed.
happens.
Happens, man. It is what it is. Can't do a lot about it, you know.
So yeah, I'm seeing this volume imbalance. That's pretty obvious.
What time frame? Oh yeah, the
The
one
one
minute.
minute.
Yes.
It's
Yeah,
it's
we have
pretty
we traded
obvious
in
in my
it.
opinion.
Yeah, we've
So
traded in it
I like want to see
already.
some reaction from it.
Yeah, our volume imbalance looks
We
nice.
do have this clone, so I'm gonna clone this here. So ore block, we have a fair value gap, and then I'm just gonna like do some annotations quickly, just to see what we're at. So volume
Yeah.
imbalance on our ore block came down. That's alright.
I'm just very interested about this 930 open. I want to see if it's gonna be real hard or real light. We'll see. To be fair.
Yeah, we'll see. You're just going to the upside since like I don't know, since like the morning.
Yeah,
We had a little
yeah, we've been going up.
consolidation, but then we're going up. I don't really like to see this value imbalance like closed below, so we'll see how we work with that. Perfect would be like rejection, but
Yeah,
it's alright.
I'm just looking at the 15 minutes. See what I have here as well. Yeah, we're 100% gonna go up. I think
Yeah, I mean,
because we still have a lot of like room to fill, but there is a thing I don't like. There is a 15-minute order block.
what I like is like how we have a
Well,
lot
right
of
now we're respecting.
imbalances above it, so that's what I like. So
Yeah, that's what makes the trade
I'm
real
thinking
good.
about taking another partial or just closing the trade and just taking the profit. That would be an option, probably, without worrying too much about the trade. But yeah, we'll see what 930 does. If
Yeah,
it
just
stops me out,
let
it
it
stops me
let
out.
it play out. It's
But
the best move sometimes.
generally, I believe we're gonna go higher with 930.
Yeah, that's what I'm also expecting to be fair.
I just want to, yeah, it's 20 seconds or so. This is a propulsion block now, so I don't want to really see it closed below the 50%. Alright, let's see. Lower.
That's not nice.
Oh, I don't know. It's volatile. That's all I see.
Yeah, there's volatility coming in.
It's volatile. Uh, I, I, I really can't do anything right now. I just have to wait
Yep.
and then we'll see. But yeah, it's looking very nice.
It's looking nice.
But that doesn't really say much because it's 9:30.
Yeah, we have
Zeker,
to see how the 1 minute
does high
closes
impact
first.
news or red news affect on civil? Ooh, that's nice. That's what I like to see. That's
Yep.
nice.
Did you hit TP?
Nah, not yet. Not yet. It's close, but not yet. And boom, I hit TP. Let's go! Woo! I hit TP. That was a pretty obvious trade in my opinion, based on
Mm-hmm.
all the confluences. As I said, my lot size was a little less than I wanted to, but it was still 1.5%, which is good. It's good, and we're pushing up. That's all. I mean, yeah, I could have held it. That's true, but it's all hindsight now.
Yep.
I could have gone for maybe 3R just to get it 2% secure, but yeah, it's a little tough. I didn't enter with my lot size because that could easily been $200 more, but yeah, a little less than 3% till the count, till the pass. Oof, yeah.
Yep. Just as we predicted, obviously. Judas swing to the upside.
Good job, guys. Yeah, thank you. I mean, yeah, it was like the news aren't like super manipulated. It's like flash PMI is 930, so it is usually going with the algorithm, but um, like power speech NFP isn't like
Yeah, those are good marks.
is very manipulated, and it's like seek and destroy conditions.
Yeah, right
Just
now
not.
we just let me just draw a fib. Yeah, we just traded above the premium. We filled a gap.
Mhm.
The 15 minute, the 1 hour gap. Well, if the 1 hour gap gets filled 50%, I think it did. Yeah, it got filled a little bit more than 50%, but now we're rejecting. We could see nice shorts. Our hands right there. That's what I like to see. I'd want to see that as well. 'Cause for me, all of this is just a Judas, I think. Not really expecting it to go up higher,
Oh, nice one on
fly high.
shorten. Well, I don't really like. I don't really care what happens now because I'll probably just wait for the PM session. And
Yeah,
all
yeah,
I need is like a little more, a little less than 3%. So it just maybe 2, 3 trades, and I'm done with phase one. So that's nice. But yeah, good thing I just exited on my TP, even though my lot size was low. Like I need to follow my rules, right? So even though my lot size was low, I just stick with with the original TP. But yeah, I didn't wanna
so
like
get greedy.
yeah, I didn't wanna get greedy. That's the word. Yeah.
Because anything can happen, like
Uh, yeah, that's right.
we could easily just reverse with this volatility.
So so maybe I'll look for another trade actually because the conditions are not that bad in my opinion.
Yeah, just half risk,
We have this
and then
inversion fair value gap that's acted really nicely. If you see the inversion gap, for it like 919, I marked out. It was respected perfectly. So like Nasdaq's really just moving so precisely. It's like
yep.
I love the Nasdaq so much. Like
That's why I've been trading it for
yeah,
like the past months.
it's
Even
like
though it's been obviously with August has been really bad, but that's just August.
yeah.
It still provides nice trading
Even August
opportunity.
is like really good. And I mean, it is good for what ICT said because I based on what ICT said, I had in my mind it was like consolidation, but it's actually moving pretty nicely.
Yeah, just want to see some.
Wait,
I want
ICT's
to see a
sick, right?
nice
He's not
reaction.
trading today because
Yeah,
he's
he's
a little
sick.
sick. Yeah,
Yeah.
happens. Be safe. News, guys. News aren't that bad. News are good. It's gonna like super super fuel your trade because it's
Yeah, in
not.
10 minutes we'll see what happens. I mean, I think we're gonna probably like news push up a little bit higher, and then we will potentially collapse. Because right now on the 1 minute looks very ugly.
Yeah,
We're
like
just we're just stalling.
guys, there's not like there's not any any bad news like NFP or something that is very manipulated. Guys, I just have to save this trade 1 second.
Yeah, no problem.
For my journal and stuff. So it's and the queue, and then I save it. Library trades. All right. Hope you enjoyed this trade, guys. It was a quick trade. I mean, quick trade. Few minutes actually, 10 minutes, but yeah, 2 hour for today. That's enough in my opinion. A little more than 2 hour if I got my lot sizes right, but yeah, it's never like if I lost, I would have lost less than 1%, which is okay. So that's totally fine. Um, so yeah, I'm actually looking forward to like trading the news because it's very like I just need to uh re re let's choose another template actually. It may be easier. Let's remove this.
Yeah, right now we're just ugly price action. 1 minute.
So yeah, guys, I just changed my templates because I want to have the other thingies, the annotations for later for me to like review. But so yeah, I'm gonna just mark this inversion imbalance because it's very powerful. This one. I mean, for me personally, I don't even use the 2022 model too that often anymore. It's like
Yeah, you just enter from something you see,
yeah, I
and
don't
it
I don't
shows you.
use the 2022 model. It's I don't know. This stuff is just easier for me because you don't really need a specific bias. Well, 2022 you need a bias. Here you just need a draw liquidity, right? And once you have that, and that is really hard as well when you learn. But when you have that, it's just easy to execute. So I'm looking. So this is this, and then 5 minute fair value gap and discount. Actually, gonna move this one. Yeah, I mean, I just want to see how we trade around here because on the 1 minute we had a really nice reaction from the breaker, but um, right now we're just going up. The order flow is very bullish. Like we have down close candle respected all the way up till now, and it's very beautiful bullish order flow. So, but if you're
Yeah,
like reaching into any higher time frame PD array, then that could be a sign of like
yeah, we have the one
market,
hour video array.
yeah, market maker sell model, you know. So let's see, 1 hour.
I really want to see
Yeah, order
some lower
block. Order
pricing.
block is really clean, aligned with the fair value gap on the 1 hour. But I want to see like some context where we are, so I'm gonna draw this daily fair value gap we are talking about when the stream started. So and I'm gonna mark the daily order block as well, the bearish one. Just to get somewhere we are, to get a 1 hour order flow. But based on how we are reacting, I think we are in a sell model right now.
Yeah, I really think that as well.
So bearish or yeah,
I'm
bearish order
just,
block, fair
yeah,
value gap, 1 minute.
I'm looking at the 3 minute. I want to see a break of that.
So this fair value gap, I used to go long. I could now use to go short, but I think I will just demo trade it. You know, I don't really feel like trading it with real money right now, but I will take a position on demo because it just is very good trade in my opinion as well. I don't know. Every trade is a good trade. Now it's weird. Man, I wish what wait, is there any position sizer? Uh because position sizer would save my trading so much. Do you use one or
For what? Trading?
for
I
trading? Yeah,
mean,
the position sizer like
not
yeah,
really. I've seen
because
people use it, but no, I don't know. I don't use it.
it's like so good when you wait, expert advisor is it here? No, MACD. Wait, on forex I heard it or in forex position sizer, but Position size X, but okay. Let's see. Interface. Is it for MT5 as well? I think it is, but
Should be. Yeah, should be.
yeah, it should be. I just don't see the download button. One second. Ah, downloads. All right, but it's only. Huh? What? But yeah, positions for MT5. That's what I need. So, no. So downloads. It's the position sizer MT5, and then. So I downloaded for MT5 and MT4, and it's really helpful. You should check it out as well. It will like save you so much time, and you will enter your trade so much faster.
Yeah, is it the one that like shows you?
I can send you the file because
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
compressed, so
yeah. I'll look at it.
it
I'll
is
look at
very
it.
good. Like that's the one I'm gonna be using, and in my opinion, it's like free, and it's I don't know, it's just so good. I've tried it before, but on MT4. So position
Yeah.
size. Now I'm gonna delete that one, but add the MT5 one. So extract all, and it should be here. Yeah, it is. Cool, cool. Edit in. 1 second, guys. I'm just installing this, and then restart my MetaTrader to see what's here.
Yeah,
Like,
we'll have news in a few minutes.
yes, there is a it's called one-click trade. No, I already installed it, Antonio. And let's see it. Yeah, it's here. Position sizer MT5. Position sizer. I just have to allow algo trading. Okay, so boom, boom. Yeah, it works. It works. That's perfect. And then press T. Wait, press T. No, what? Stop loss T. What is the hotkey? Oh, the position size too high. T. No, it doesn't work. I don't know. No, it doesn't work. Um,
Might need to change in settings, maybe. Maybe, I don't know.
yeah, risk USD, input, account balance, commission size per lot, take profit, trading.
Wait,
Off.
so it's just a position calculator, but
Yeah,
just on
it's the
MetaTrader.
yeah, it's the position calculator. You just using you have a line, and then you move a line where your stop loss should be, and then just press one button. You click OK to confirm, and then you enter the trade with market.
Um,
Let's say with market, and it calculates you for you. You just need to set where your stop loss would be.
I
That's
might
really
test it out.
that's really amazing in my opinion. But it's like allow modification of signal settings. Maybe now. But the hotkey was T. It's so weird. I don't know what is the hotkey now. We'll see. Installation. Let's see. 1 second, guys. I just have to fix the bug. Where is it?
Okay, news will come out in 10 seconds. We'll see how it reacts.
Yeah, we're
Probably
just.
lower. That's what I'm expecting.
Yeah, I'm thinking lower as well because we are in the market making some all maybe.
Never mind. We're
Okay,
going up higher.
we just
Want to
yeah.
see the news actually. Yeah, we're bullish news. Never mind,
For
actually.
dollar
Okay,
or
yeah. Bearish, one bearish for dollar, flash services, and oh,
ooh,
both bearish.
EU is just gapped so high. I've seen EU
Yep.
gapped so high when there was I've seen EU gap when there was this what it's called yeah, the flash services PM I mean PME or PMI or something, when there was
PMI.
last time EU gapped as well, so that's good. Oh, if I held my trade, damn, I mean I wouldn't, but it would be a
Yeah.
nice win. So let's fix the position size. pressing Shift plus T will open a trade. Alright, wait. Shift plus T. Okay, yeah, it works. It works. Perfect, nice. That's what I want. That's good. That will save me so much time and so much more precision with lot sizes, because it's like perfect. Then this is very helpful if you're trading, you know, those lot sizes where you need to enter with either market or just really quickly you
Yeah.
have to act. That's good. I have it installed. I send you the MT4 if you want the MT5.
Yeah, yeah,
Just
yeah. I'll look how to set it up later.
it's very easy actually. You
I just
just
never used one.
no. I can
So
tell you right now if you want. It's so fast. You
how
just
do I
go.
okay, let me
You
install
just
it.
go to. You just download extract folder, and then
Yeah,
after
hold
you
up.
extract it, just let me know and we'll set it up. It's really easy. You don't need anything like open any program or something.
Yeah, I got the folder.
All right. So now go to
What
your
do I need to
empty.
press?
Go to MT4.
Yeah,
And then wait, let me open MT4 actually. So go to MT4 and then at the top left click file, and then
yeah.
open data folder,
Oh, yep,
and then click MQL4
yep.
experts, and then in
Yep.
that experts folder move your position sizer into here.
Do I need to move the whole folder?
The extracted folder, yeah, the whole extracted folder,
Yeah, okay.
and then close the
Or
MetaTrader.
do I need to get drag the files in there? Because
No,
I'm
just the,
up.
the
I
whole
just
folder, the whole folder, the whole folder.
okay.
And then close the
Yeah, done it.
MT4, open it again, and once you did, just let me know.
Yeah, I'm gonna reopen it. Hold up.
Oh my god, Nasdaq is just going so high. What? That would mean like past my count. Nice.
Yep. News.
Alright, yeah, so you
Yeah.
just
What do I do now?
click expert advisors on the tab
Uh,
on the left
wait.
side where there is navigator. Can you see it? Where there's your
Oh,
account as well.
wait. Oh, I'm getting confused now. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. I see. I see. I
Expert
see. I see.
advisors and then position sizer.
Yeah. Do I press on it or do I?
Just double click it on expert advisors.
Yeah, and then
And then it opens and you see
position. Yeah.
and if it does, just open it, just double click on it again, and then
Oh
just
yeah, I
click
got it. Yeah.
OK, and then it will show you. And the green line is for the stop loss, and then once you have your stop loss in place and you want to enter, just set your risk percentage and then click T, and then
Will it look at my account or how would it? Oh,
what?
okay. So it follows my account balance. So risk
Yeah,
1%.
this is it's
Okay.
very useful, in my opinion. So just you can see then. I believe you can also set the dollar amount if you want, so that's no problem as well.
Yeah, I'll look into it later on.
Yeah.
I'll learn how to use it properly. Now we swept some nice liquidity. We swept the 5 a.m. high.
Five. On what what 5 a.m. highs?
Yeah, we have those 5:30.
Oh, I see. Yeah,
I'm
5:30.
I'm expecting to see lower prices because
Mm,
we also repriced to the
let's see
the daily
SPX.
the daily gap.
So there's still no SMT, but Nasdaq went really high in comparison with, let's say, Dow. So what I really want to like see happen is I want to see this high broken maybe, and then where is the daily chart, and then
I'm gonna see
50
how this
plus
gap
wick.
acts. I could use this as an inversion gap.
Okay, so the next setup I would take is on SPX, and I want to see the I want to see the how I want to see the you just if you look in the SPX,
Mm-hmm.
there's this high at 4:15 previous day on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to see that high broken, right? And then after I see that high broken, I want to see a fair value gap, and then after I see a fair value gap, displacement after this high broken, which again I'll count it as market share shift. I will go long into the fair value gap on the daily chart. So 7 handles, a little bit more, but I'll take my profit at 5. So
Yeah, I'm just waiting for 10 a.m. anyway.
yeah, me too. I'm not gonna take any more trades before 10, and I want to see that high swept again. But yeah, today was a good day for me, just like expected. I would I would take partials next time maybe, but like I want to really like learn how to take partials properly, because if you don't
Yeah,
know that, you can really like screw your RR. I mean, you can't do it here because it just went up, but in like other
yeah,
examples, if you don't know really how to manage your trade, you can really get screwed up. So I rather take my full profit at my first target, which is good. It's 2.3 R, but in my case it was 1.5. But still, it's better than to do that than um like lose your profits and manage your trade incorrectly. So I just
yeah. Because the
you know
news as well, we could have just easily went the other way as well.
yeah.
And if you can't manage it, then
So that
you
would
could
have been
potentially lose to slippage, whatever.
so 7. Oops, actually 9. Yeah, it would have been around. I would have passed that count if I. So it's psychological now for me, but
Yeah,
I'm okay with losing it. I just you know got a winning trade, got out on the low hanging fruit, and then just waiting for PM or the trade on the SPX. So now just chilling.
yeah. But I'm just gonna wait. Maybe we'll see a liquidity sweep. We'll probably see a liquidity sweep of the high for Nasdaq.
Yeah, but I have to say
Mm-hmm.
Nasdaq is really really good.
Yep.
Yeah, stock to trade or peer whatever, because it just moves so smoothly. Much better than SPX nowadays. But I believe SPX will get better in September, coming into September.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully. Now I want to see how we react from here. See if we have a market structure shift. Because I'm down to take it.
Oh,
It'll be a nice setup.
what? Long
I'm
or
waiting for the
short
1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute short right now.
on Nasdaq, right? Or
Yep.
yeah, Nasdaq.
Yep, Nasdaq, yep. We swept a lot of liquidity. We could just easily start reversing, but we just ignore the gap. Could enter off the gap, inversion gap. Yeah, my entry will probably be like right here somewhere.
Wait, let's see.
Get it ready just in case.
I mean, yeah. In basically for Nasdaq, I would not wanna see that high broken from Wednesday, because
Yeah.
if you look at 15 minute, you see the high of the fair value gap on the daily chart on Nasdaq, and that high that went above it into the order block is would be marked as long term high, right? So, and then the high to the left would be intermediate term high, and I we don't really want to see that taken if we are bearish. So, I'm really expecting a
You better
moving.
break a structure
Yeah,
to the downside.
that Nasdaq trade you're having in mind is actually really good and aligned with the order flow in my opinion.
Yeah, I'm gonna place my order, see if I can get
So
filled.
long term high reaching into order block, intermediate high having lows and filled imbalance. Yeah, actually
Yeah,
really good.
I got tagged in. See how we react.
And rejection block tapped in as well. It's looking nice actually, but let's see. So you got tagged in, or
Yep, got tagged in.
and your stop loss is at the high, or
Above the high slightly. We'll see how we react. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. It is what
good
it is.
luck. Yeah,
Can't really do anything about it. I don't know. I saw a market structure shift. I liked it.
we have a shift
That's
on SPX as well, so we'll see how we move from here.
we'll probably just go up
um,
higher if we don't close within it.
Doom show as always in this respect. FVG work like
Yeah, got
yeah.
stopped out. And with slippage as well. Up there.
Yeah, we're breaking the high right now, so that's not
Yep.
good. That's really not good because that means we are probably gonna go higher. Because I don't really feel
That's
like
not.
this is a liquidity sweep. We reach into the ore block, but I don't really feel this is a liquidity sweep anymore since the displacement we have to go higher. Um, Canyon Island, how do we do that? How do we add that? Just go to earn4x.com and then you download the position sizer there for free. It's for MT5 and MT4. I'll be right back. I have to go to the
Yeah,
toilet.
no
All
problem.
right.
Mm. We are going real. The hell is happening? We're pushing really heavy.
Yeah, I like that. I would like to see the same thing happen on SPX. But a 2 minute time frame on Nasdaq is not too bad at all. For silver bullet, 20 point stop, 20.8 profit. I'll just take a demo trade. A 2 minute one. I'll take a demo trade. I will not trade possibly anymore because I only got my wins today. So are you gonna take any more trades today or?
I'm not sure. Maybe not. I don't know.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, tomorrow is tomorrow there are
Tomorrow.
8:30 news, if I'm not
Oh
mistaken.
yeah, unemployment claims. Yes,
That's
I'll
that's
be up tomorrow.
that's not bad as well. That's actually pretty good because
Yeah, it's alright.
yeah, 2 minute fair value gap right now looks very good for silver bullet and Nasdaq. So
Well,
we're gonna
long or
yeah, long. So
yeah,
text,
and I might take a long as well because there's another gap lower.
but I only demo traded it because I'm I'm done for net with today except if we show a good setup on SPX here. If we do that, then I'll take maybe another trade on SPX, but that trade on Nasdaq is also good for very good to me. I would take it if I didn't take any more trades today. It would play out probably because I really think we're going higher, algorithmic and based on the joint liquidity above here. So I don't know if you get. I'm really considering entering, but I'm saying no because good after Ragnar. When oh yeah, it's watermark. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. It's a new layout, so there you go. Good afternoon. Where is your watermark, Ragnar? I'm so sorry. It is a new. It is a new template because I want to have previous saved, but it's right here. Yeah, what I'm looking for is this right here. But I don't know if I'll get it. It's just a demo trade in my opinion. I think we're gonna go higher anyway, so because how we respected the low right here, the 50% of the gap, that's really beautiful. So I'm really considering entering, but I'm like holding myself back so much. I enter with demo, so it's fine. I'm at least having something to worry about. But yeah, I'll take this on SPX for sure. That's where my focus is at the moment. God, that jade is so good. Ah, come on. Let's go. Yeah, it would hit TP. I mean, whatever, but we're gonna get her. Alright, so we broke the high on SPX. What I want to see is there's a fair value gap. Well, 15 minute. Yeah, there's this fair value gap right here, but I honestly think. One second. Yeah, this is an inversion gap. Probably it's gonna turn around. So first show displacement. Boom, boom, boom. Still, yeah, waiting for a trade on the Nasdaq. Come on. Should I enter with half risk or?
Yeah, I mean, if you're, wait, are you taking it on a live, on a
Yeah,
funded?
funded half
Yeah,
risk.
I mean, probably would be the smartest idea.
But I
Because
want to
then if you
see.
lose,
Yeah, I'll still
it's
be.
better for your
I'll
risk
still be up
management.
1% if I lose. So
Yeah,
because I, so one minus $100 plus 100. Yeah, I just need to for it to come back into the fair value gap, and I'll consider taking an entry, one more, because I missed the current one. I'll see how we react. For now, we're reacting pretty well. 4 5. Yeah, that's a good fair value gap. I want to see how we react with SPX. If we see a displacement and we come back, there is something going on, and I'll enter for sure. But the SPX doesn't look too good. The only hope is like the 3 minute for now to form a gap. But yeah, this is buy side by the way. Alright, we're going lower. The only thing I don't like is the 5 minute time frame. But still, hey, when we come to fair value gap, I'll consider it. Okay. Stuff. I still didn't go low enough. It's Nah. Yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, come on, happens. But I was looking to enter at this lower fair value gap under 1 minute because
Yeah.
it was respected very well. We closed below the first one, so I was looking to enter the second one, right below it, and it's also in the discount. That's why I also was looking at this one from low to high. It's in discount, so 50% right here. So I wouldn't want to enter right here above it. So that's also the reason. But you know, the psychology part is really hard. You know
Yeah.
when you
It's always really hard.
yeah when you end it's when you enter the trade you win, and then I want to enter this trade so badly, but I know I only got my profit for today, but it just looks so nice. The only thing I'm concerned is it's not an SPX. I like to take those trade with SPX because I'm looking for five handles right now, and with Nasdaq it's 20, but it's a little different. So I want to see how SPX reacts to this buy sell liquidity, and then I'll enter based of that. I will not enter right here right now when we are tapped the lower one. Even though we hit take profit, that's okay. Even my at least my analysis was on point, but not entering will life funds. Yeah. 15, 1, no, nothing. SPX doesn't have much. Nasdaq's much better, but as I said, I'm a little bit concerned. Yeah, now it's gonna go up for sure. It can reject one more time. One. Antonio, what do you mean one? So enter here, TP hit, boom. That's nice. I want to see the same thing happen on SPX, preferably 15 minute, because every other is.
Yeah, I'm probably not gonna trade. I don't know, the market just not treating me well. I don't know, I'll see. Maybe I'll look at PM session once more. I'll see, you know.
Yeah, I mean you should definitely check com to see what PM session
Yeah,
does. I'll
yeah, I'll
be
see.
trading PM session as well. I hope it's not like as bad as yesterday's. So
Yeah,
that's the
yesterday was really bad,
yeah, that's
honestly.
the only thing I want.
It
Just
didn't look it didn't look really good.
but
But yeah.
I'll be trading PM session for sure. So do you have to go now or?
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
All
Probably gonna
right.
go outside, exercise. I don't know. I'll see. Anyway, bro. See you later. Yeah, I'll
See
talk to
you.
you later,
Yeah.
maybe. All right.
Enjoy. All right, guys. So as I said, we're just this in this quick demo trade. Demo trade that we respect this relay up 1, 2, 3 times. Quick demo trade, nothing more. As I said, I would have entered on a live account, but it's just not worth the risk. I really want to trade. There's nothing more to get, and boom, it's the hit. That's really nice. Let's see the executions. Trading, boom, yeah, it's perfect. Top right here. Nice, that's good. Very nice. So yeah, another trade won. Technically, it's a win trade. we sweep next biceps, we will look good for sure. I still think we're gonna higher. We swept bicep, but I went long. You have to know the institutional order flow, you know? Right here, we swept this bicep liquidity, and we came into the order block on the daily chart, but I still went long. Why? Because I know how to like utilize the institutional order flow, you know? It's not really all the sweep, but you have to understand the order flow. You can't just trade based off random sweeps in the market. That's just not gonna work. On the long term, maybe one or two, but not like 100 trades if you're gonna do it, because and you're probably it's hard to do 100 trades live, because I even me, I didn't on this account, I didn't do it, but not yet 100 days in this account. But yeah, that trade would have been so good, and only 2% more than. Imagine having to make only 2% for fucking 2%. But yeah, I'm alright. Not I'm not I'm not gonna FOMO now. It was a good trade. It's in my execution, so it's good. It's a trade anyway, so even though it's a demo, it's a trade. Exactly what ICT said. Uh mm, so you can see, guys, that this stuff like actually works, and it's just so good. It's like almost too good to be true. 1 second, guys. I'll have to go right, but I'll be right in a couple of minutes. I'll just have to do something. BRB. Alright, guys, I'm back. Hello. I am back. And what I'm looking for is this juicy Fair Valley gap on the 15-minute. It's very good in my opinion. but still no value gap on the lower time frame. So all chops. So 15 minutes actually looks the cleanest. So what I would want is this fair value gap staying open and then tap into before we go into this daily gap. And that's where I take the trade, another trade I mean. Or just demo. I don't know. It's really fun trading on demo, you know? Because I don't know, it just you get it right because you're not so nervous. I'm not nervous, but you're not risking anything, so it's pretty funny. You know? I see sales in Nasdaq. What do you mean, George? Sales. What does that mean? I'm not completely sure what does sales mean. You mean like selling or sales like news event? Yep, SPX just tap in back into this order block which I'm looking at. If this order block gets disrespected, then this is the change in institutional order flow, but it could also go for this liquidity. I'm saying it's more like a liquidity sweep. But yeah, good day, another good day for Nasdaq. So we actually took two trades today. We took this one and this one, but this one was on demo. But it was still a trade, so I can't complain with that. Oh, Friday's good. Friday's good. I can't wait for Friday because I really have like a TGIF setup that I back tested, and I really can't wait for it to try it. Like TGIF inspired setup, and we're really looking to try it on live. Maybe I'll pass the account on Friday. I'm not sure. We'll see. But yeah, fair value gap is completely. It's still open. I could still use it, but it's the highs right here. Change the colors to this blue. Actually, I'm not gonna use the blue one. And the low is right here, I believe. Not the low is right here. This one. I see sales Nasdaq in 1 minute. You mean sales, selling? What do you mean, George? I'm not sure. Sorry, I don't completely understand it. Zeka, what do you think about DRI since you follow Master on Twitter? I don't know. It's pretty cool. I follow Master because he's like really inspirational. I've seen him on a lot of Twitter Spaces. I don't really use the DR, but you know I have his indicator like favorites. I was trying it, but a long time ago. It's alright. I guess it works as well, but I'm not focusing on that much. Say it's maestro. Um, it works certainly. You can see it from him, but it's not what I use. So, hope that helps. But I mainly focus on just ICT price delivery. So what I can tell you about ICT though. I follow a lot of prop firms as well. Just to see if anyone have a good discount or just the good conditions to maybe buy something when it's really off for later, but we'll see. So yeah, Master, his stuff works, but it's not what I focus on, so I can't tell you too much. I can tell you about ICT, as I said. This stuff works as well, and what you need to learn. Yeah, I saw that. yeah, yeah, it's a lot of prop firms. Basically, but all of them are basically prop firms and a small amount of people. But yeah, it's basically like what I basically would suggest to learn is just order flow, institutional order flow to get a direction, draw liquidity, and then how imbalances work. And this is basically, I think that's all you need. So with your liquidity, you have your daily buys basically. With order flow, you have the direction where you're going, or where you are moving from, and then imbalances, you have your entries, where are you in the market, and you don't really need anything else. We can add stuff later, but only like it's not that hard to start, anyways. Um, US 30, it's nothing I would take at the moment. It's nothing I would take in my nothing in my eyes looks promising. I mean, you have this low, which is a breaker, and that could be good, but the only high, it's still nothing. Beautiful curve though. Beautiful curve. US 30 a little less, and then Nasdaq same. Day trade index on DR IDR, and the good thing of this strategy, you know where will price come because the strategy is tested 20-year back tested. Yeah, I saw that as well, but you have to pay for the program. I think it's like 100, no, it's like $200 a month for the lowest price, and then it's 800 or 600 for the highest, and then there's one in the middle. So, but yeah, that's in my opinion, it's really expensive. And I talked with a friend who is basically the highest on Patreon, like the third level, and it's really not worth it. He told me it's really just advertised so much, and all you need is just ICT with DR in his opinion. But I don't think you need the DR. Expensive, yeah, and it's the third level. I think it's MSC or something. He was telling me it's really just advertised, and it's not worth it. And he said if you're gonna go, just go with DR ICT. But I'm just using ICT. I don't really focus on DR too much because it's just not what I've been studying, what I've been focusing on, and yeah, it works, but it's not for me. But I've seen on Twitter some I've seen him on Twitter, and then his concepts. Uh, yeah, it's expensive. That's true. Mm-hmm. There's SMT on both. Yeah, almost reaching into this, but stopping. So I would take this as a re. Sorry, I mean sales indications. You mean the RSI is oversold or anything? Yeah, I see. RSI is oversold. I see that. Yeah, we have to short. I'm kidding. I think we're still going higher in my opinion. If you look at the daily chart, where will you draw to? I think the next likely draw, like I'm not saying that for sure, but my eyes, it's this rejection block. Based on how we close today, if we close very bullish, based on that, I will my joint liquidity is rejection block and the high and an order block. But we can see the weekly we're going higher, so that could be a juicy TGIF to the downside. I mean TGIF, yeah, like really juicy, nice, fast TGIF to the downside of the Friday. Because the buy side has been eaten. Yeah, but if you take a look at the weekly chart, we still have 50% of this big wick. we still have this big. Sorry, I have to go. I had to go somewhere, but I'm back. So here's the plan trading on in the Discord with community. Do plan live trading in Discord with community. Ooh, that could be a very good idea. Say it, Maestro. That could be a very good idea with the community. Yeah, yeah, that is a very good idea. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow is maybe tomorrow or Friday, whatever you guys want. Let me know in the chat if you like that. Like so we can all talk, and then it's not gonna be on the YouTube. It's gonna be Discord exclusive because CH. Ah, it's okay. CH. Yeah, I don't really know because it didn't have the chip, but CH. Yeah. So let me know, guys, so we can all talk, and it's gonna be Discord only. If it's gonna be on Discord, I don't have any intentions putting in on YouTube every day, bro, so we can talk. Yeah, every day, then yeah, sure. If it's gonna be every day, then I'm probably gonna stream it on YouTube as well. But if it's gonna level up each other, yeah, that's good. I can maybe make that happen. Yeah, tomorrow. Do you think it will go short, George? No, not yet. It's gonna go higher for sure. Maybe retrace, but it's gonna go higher in the long run. It's for sure. Because as you can see, we broke the long-term high. That's a really strong indication. Broken. It's really strong. Retested. It's a really good indication. We're gonna go for next PD array. But yeah, CH Maestra, I think that's a good idea. I think we can do that tomorrow if you guys are down. I can call, and then we can stream that on Discord as well, on the YouTube as well if you guys want. But yeah, that is a very good idea. Streaming on, and um what and yeah, leveling up in the voice chat. That is really good. So just guys, let me know if that's a good idea, what you think, and join a Discord with the link below in the description. It's my Discord, and basically all the things I'm doing here, even the trades I put off stream, are announced there, so join. And yeah, others, let me know about this. In my opinion, it's a very good idea. Thanks, Sage, for the suggestion. But yeah, nothing yet for we're trading inside this gap. So I'm not looking at anything, just reading the chat. So let's see your thoughts. If you have any more questions, yeah, that would be fine. And also we can learn, ask questions, make friends, and we all benefit. Yeah, I agree. I agree. We can do that tomorrow. I'll announce it in the Discord. I'll announce it in the Discord later. But ooh, 1 second, guys. I have to do something. All right. Yeah, I'll announce it in the Discord then, because it's gonna be on Discord. So I'm gonna make an announcement later today, during the PM session. Because right now after the stream I have to go somewhere. So, but when I come back, I'm gonna make the announcement, and we're gonna do this tomorrow if you guys are ready. I'm totally down with it to do that, because it's gonna be very good for all of us, very beneficial. we tapped into the low, so potential shorts, but not yet for EU, or maybe. We'll see. So yeah, that's basically it. I really don't have much else because we already took the trade. On profit, we took one more demo trade as well, and we won it. We won both. So you know, um, the silver bullet, the ICT stuff actually works super good. Two to three to four silver bullet you skipped and you trade, and then third silver bullet do you trade? Depends. Sage Maestro depends. Um, I trade it if there's a setup, just like 10 to 11 a.m. So yeah, I skipped the London silver bullet from 3 to 4, but then I trade from 10 to 11, and then I trade from 14 to 15, the PM session New York. I also trade that one, but well, obviously if there's no trade, I skip I don't open the position. But yeah, I trade the PM session as well. And I posted in the Discord when I got a trade, when I get a trade usually, or when the trade is over, depends. I usually post it in the Discord general chat, just general casually, and then yeah, every day. But this for Valley Gap was really beautiful. Good trade, but you know, if I held it, it would have been a banger. 100 points. Ooh, good to know for next time. But I'm happy with my result. Very happy. So yeah, guys, that is it. I'm gonna end the stream here. We got the very nice wins, very good price action today, predictable, and hope you benefited from this. As I said, yeah. What company are you entered with? None. I'm not peer. What do you say? I'm not partner with any company yet. I'm sorry. I'm not partner with any company yet, George. So yeah. Thank you for watching the video. So tomorrow we are actually going to do the Discord session. I'm gonna announce it in the Discord, and you can ask questions there because the stream is gonna be closed by then. So yeah, join the Discord, and thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Stay safe, and yeah, see you next time. See you next time in the Discord on the live session with you guys. Goodbye.